Hello everybody, in this video we are going to learn how to edit orders in Instagram. So when a customer enters your Instagram DM box, they'll get a list of options like this. Now the customer can click on item list to check the item list that you have provided. Once they click on item list, the system will automatically follow the message with the list of items that you have set up inside the system. Now, to buy the product, you can click on Buy Now. After clicking on Buy Now, a website like this will be visible. You can scroll down and click on the Add to Cart button and then confirm the order. After that, the customer will have to add in their details and information for delivery, including their full name, email, phone number, and if they have any special request for you. So they can add in their information like this. After adding the information, they can choose whether they want the payment to be cash on delivery or bank transfer. If they choose bank transfer, then they'll have to click on purchase after choosing. Now, they can either finish the payment within this website itself by attaching the payment slip here, or they can go back to the chat box and then click on the view orders option and pay and send in the payment slip. Your order has been summarized and sent into their inbox like this. Now, if they haven't paid, they can go into the link again like this and then click on the attach payment slip option and attach their payment slip. Once this is done, it will be saved inside the system and the same copy will be sent to them along with the summary of the order. Now, once the order has been made, you can go in and confirm the order in the system by yourself. So, for example, I have just received an order on my Instagram page. So, I'll click on this shop that I want to do the setting for and then click on Manage. And then in the menu bar, I'll go to the Orders button. Here, my recent order is visible. And I'll click on the order number. Now I can check the payment with my own bank account and see if the payment has been done. If it has been done, I can click on the confirm payment button and then click on yes. Now the payment has been confirmed. To tell the customer that the payment has been confirmed, I can click on the send to customer button and a message will be sent to the customer telling them that the order has been confirmed. After I finish the delivery, I can scroll down here and after I complete my delivery, I can add in and update the system as fulfilled, or if I have the tracking number, I can click on fulfilled and then add in the tracking number. Once this is done, I can click on the send to button option, send to customer button. This is how the message will be visible in the customer's inbox. Every time you click on the send to customer button in the back office of Kaojao, they'll receive a message like this summarizing their order and their payment and shipping status. Thank you.